How's it going, YouTube? We're Crossing Russell here. We have some sort of a train coming, which is, I believe it might be a freight train. And I think she's... Oh! Look at that. Got a freight train. Oh, wow. It's an inspection train. 2267. Safety train, that's awesome. That's a pretty cool one. And by the way, I'm sure there's going to be a Borealis train later, so stay tuned for that. I don't know what kind of train that is, but this must have been an inspection train. They're just probably inspecting the track for some reason. Anyways, there she goes down the line. Look at that. That was awesome. I know that signal's probably going to turn off any second. You can see that signal down there. Dang, that thing was hauling. This wasn't the train I was hoping for. But I'm probably going to have to film at a different crossing anyway, so... Anyways, hope you enjoyed it.